hi guys, today it's Sunday, so it's somewhere around 4 o'clock, so we are searching for food here. Like obvious, every blog I started with new blog with foods and everything for reviews. So we are near Philomena's college by the over here, and we'll try to cover some few places in Mysore too. So I will start my vlog from here and cover up some few places. So let's see how it goes today. It might rain today, so a little cloudy. So I'll try to finish up early and try to cover up few places, at least 2 or 3 places. So let's start from here and cover the places. Cheers. So you have stalls here like chat stall and many other things. There's college, nice college. Campus, same big campus, I believe. St. Philomena's. You have jackfruit shop, brown and chat shop again, and juice and ice creams. I guess it's more of shake. So this was Mysore-Bangalore road. But this is Goli soda. This is nice. We'll have this. This is amazing. I like this Goli soda. The way he prepares. Yaudida? Sweet? Kara. Kara one kodi. Yeah. Sweet and salt too. Yeah. So let's see how it's amazing. It reminds me of my childhood. It's salt. We used to have it in Mysuru and Bhatkali. So, cutting up the lemon. So it's right opposite to LIC building in Mysore. Identa? Sweet. Syrup. Allah. So, sweet syrup. Look at the style you made it. Splash. Say hi.
Hi.
What's your name? Come here, what's your name?
Jatin.
Huh?
Jatin Krishna.
Jatin Krishna. Right. Here we go. Let's see how the taste is. Cheers. Bismillah. It's nice. It's a little orangey, the flavor. You can see it's in orange. So it tastes nice. Nice. So it's just 40 rupees. We finished. We'll try another place now. So yeah, let's go and find some other places around. And I'm looking for something like, you know, spicy or a rolls are bored now. So something interesting in Mysore to eat. So dosas are very good. I'll try to cover up tomorrow for a breakfast. And I have a vlog for breakfast tomorrow. So amazing. I heard Mysore dosas are very famous, and the types of dosas they make here is different. A lot of types of, and the taste is completely different from, like, you know, from Bangalore. And so this is auditorium, some cricket, football grounds around here. So Mysore is really has good climate, but little hot in the daytimes, but evenings are really nice, and it has a lot of greenery around. Amazing area. We have feet of Arab here. A lot of food places around. I want to try this food places here this side. Nice. There's hotels, the temple. Here, St. Joseph. So here they have really good fish items here. I'll just take you close by. We had a lunch, so I don't want to eat more. So this is a place. So this is a Mangalorean based restaurant. So they have nice fishes and seafood around here. So amazing seafood and everything. So grape juice is right here. So they have sodas. So they make it with soda, grape juice. It's very famous here. So I think it is unhygienic, probably. Like, I don't know, I didn't like the taste nowadays. It used to be really tasty before, so now they have dropped the taste. So I don't want to try again and spoil my stomach or something. Sorry for this, but yeah, this is a reality. So yeah, they have cloud kitchen too. I can see a cloud kitchen, and nice. This place is really nice for food. So let's continue from here again. So I'll take you a few other places. So park, small park, and church right opposite. This is Fountain Circle. So this is government office buildings. They have made it like a palace. Amazing. The commercial tax department is here. So there is a restaurant, Green Heritage. It's a veg restaurant. obviously you'll have nice food here. Even here it's nice. Dolphin. I'd like to go there and have something and buy something if we find something. Looks amazing. So let's see what they have here. So yeah, we are right in front of Dolphin. I found this place really interesting and nice chat items they have. I would like to show you guys. Visit this place. They have ice creams, they have fruit juices, and they have pani puri and beautiful chocolates as well here. So they have nice. So he's the owner here. So what's your name? Fazin, and he's gonna be here, and you can visit this guy. Amazing person he is. An amazing shop. You have a nice collection here.
Thank you.
And they have dates, beautiful dates, and nice chocolates and pastries. They have nice pastries. I like this one. This is amazing. They have nice pastries. Nice cakes, and they have samosas, egg puff, samosas, rolls. They have Italian cheesy. Nice, really nice collection. Amazing. They have something on buy one get one. It's a problem. Nice. I like the place. The gift items with chocolates and everything. So this is new plates. Happy birthday plates. So beautiful, nice. Nice. So probably you will find Mysore Pak. Mysore Pak is famous for Mysore, so I would like to buy a Mysore Pak from there. So these trucks. Mysore Pak. So they don't have Mysore Pak here, so this one. Looks nice. What is this? Butter namkeen. Looks nice, tasty.
Make something salty. Which one is salty?
Yeah, you're. So I'll buy this one. Take this and some chocolates here. Amazing, I like the chocolates. I see.
We like this also.
Which one? This one?
We like this also.
Amazing. Give me one chocolate of this. This one.
Quick.
So yeah, how much? So nice. So, which is this place?
Sir?
Which is this place?
Divan's Road, Marimala
So
Park
this
College.
is, where exactly is it? Can you tell them? Where exactly is this place? Can you tell them?
Divan's Road, Marimala Park College.
Okay. So you heard it. So please visit this place and have a great experience and different experience here. Very interesting things they have. So they have chats, everything, and they have a garden, small garden over here. So let's go to Mysore Palace now. So it's time. It's getting late. So we're gonna finish a vlog here and cover up Mysore Palace. So let's go from here. Starts from here and then go all the way down. So cheers.